Hey guys, Dr. J here. Today we're just going to go through a few problems related to today's KBAC. Okay, I'm not gonna go like through the whole thing like I did last time, but I'll take you through a few problems to help you get started. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here we go. So solve for P. All right, so just like last time, we have to unpack P on the left side and then solve. So the first thing that we can see is that P is being divided by -2. So we have to undo that operation. We have to multiply both sides by -2. And when we do that, we get P plus 15 equals -3 times -2, which is 6. Okay. Now we're adding 15 on the left. So we're going to have to subtract 15 from both sides. We get P equals 6 minus 15, which equals -9. Okay. And so that should do the trick for us. Let's go ahead and see. Boom, right? There we go. Okay, so let's clear off what we have. Now 3 times b minus 10 equals 18. Okay, so first order of business, right? We got to get rid of this 3. Since we're multiplying the left side by 3, we've then got to divide both sides by 3. When we do that, we get b minus 10 equals 18 over 3, which equals 6. Okay, so we've divided both sides by 3. Now we're subtracting 10 on the left, but we have to undo that. So we have to add 10 to both sides. So then b equals 6 plus 10, which equals 16. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if that does the trick. There we go. Okay, so now we're trying to solve for g. And this is a pretty easy one. We can combine these like terms to get g. So 9g minus 8g equals 1g. So g minus 1 equals 16. And we just have to undo that subtraction by adding 1 to both sides. So g equals 17. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at that. Great. Now we can clear all that out. And we're just going to do a couple more of these here. So q minus 10 over -1. Okay, we're going to want to multiply both sides by -1 to get rid of that -1. So you're going to get q minus 10 equals 0. We add 10 to both sides. Q equals 10. Okay, so let's knock this out. Boom. All right. And then -2 times t minus 6. Well, we got to divide both sides by -2. So we get t minus 6 equals -10 over -2, which is going to be positive 5. And so then here we just have to add 6 to both sides to undo this subtraction. So t equals 5 plus 6, which is 11. Okay, let's give it a shot. That's how it's done. All right. So 3w minus 4w minus 3w, that's easy combined like terms. You get w minus 1 equals 7. Add 1 to both sides, w equals 8. Okay. So put our 8 there. That's that. Clear it out. And I'm just going to do a couple more here. Same thing, right? J plus 6 over 4 equals 4. Since we're dividing on the left by 4, we have to multiply both sides by 4 to undo that division. So j plus 4 equals 4 times 4, which is 16. Now we subtract 4 from both sides. J equals 16 minus 4, which is 12. Okay. Boom. That's how it's done. You're kidding me. What did I do? Go back. How did I? Doggone it. I subtracted 4 from both sides. I copied the problem wrong. Yeah, I got it. Doggone it. Okay. So -2 equals -2. Okay, this one's a little bit uglier because you got negatives on both sides. You can actually just cancel out the negatives. So you can just say to yourselves, I'm going to divide both sides by -1, and then you get 2 equals t minus 3. So to do that, again, we divided both sides by -1. Okay, that got rid of it. Got rid of the negatives on both sides. Now we're going to add 3 to both sides to get rid of this -3 on the left. So 5 equals t. Okay. Boom. All right, clear it all. Okay, and I just want to call this a day. So 9H, and this is a joke, yo. 9H minus 8H, that just equals H. So H equals 7. Let's get out of here. Kind of crazy. Okay, divide both sides by -2. So you get T minus 16 equals 6 over -2. That's -3. You got to add 16 to both sides to get rid of this business here. So T equals 13. That's the story. I'm sticking to it. Boom, boom. That's what it was. All right. So now we got T minus 20 over -2. Okay, this is going to be it for me. I've about had enough of this. So you multiply both sides by -2 to get rid of that -2 on the denominator on the left, and you get T minus 20 equals 0, T equals 20. That problem was too easy. Let's see if they got something else. That's all they got. Come on now. There we go. Okay, last problem. This is a good one to go out on. This is like a decent problem. On this problem, you multiply both sides by -1. It kind of looks like an ugly problem because it's got all these negative signs here and there. You're like, oh no, double negatives. Wow, but it's no big deal. You multiply both sides by -1 to get rid of the -1 on the right, and that actually gets rid of the -1 on the left. So you end up with 1 equals b plus 5. Subtract 5 for both sides to undo the addition. -4 equals b. Okay, bingo was his name-o. Boom, boom. That's what it is. All right, I'm stopping there. Okay, I feel like these are kind of all pretty similar. So as always, good luck. All right, good luck. And may all forces be with you.